Hello students, today we'll perform the experiment number 4, that is the isolation of microorganism or isolation of bacteria by streak plate method. So today we are performing the streak plate method. For that, first of all you need the Petri plate for streak plate method. In that, first you have to clean the glasswares which you are using for this preparation. So first you have to clean the Petri plate and clean this test tube. Okay, so this test tube which is having a 70 ml capacity, in this you have to fill the nutrient agar. Okay, so first of all is cleaning. How to clean it? First you have to clean this test tube with the help of the distilled water and this Petri plate. Okay, this Petri plate should not contain any stains. कुछ भी स्टेन इसके अंदर होना नहीं चाहिए. So first of all, after cleaning with the distilled water, you have to rinse this test tube with the help of acetone. Rinse the tube with the help of acetone. Like this, just add 1 to 2 drop of acetone and rinse the test tube. Okay, after rinse this test tube, you have to put it in a beaker. Put in a one beaker which is also clean. Okay, now you have to clean this Petri plate. You need the cotton, and in that you have to take the acetone and then clean the Petri plate. This is the cover part or lead part. Lead. And this is the base part in which you have to pour the nutrient agar. So it should be properly clean. Now you have to cover this Petri plate and put it in a sterilization. You need to sterilize this Petri plate before using. So how you will sterilize it? Take the newspaper. Okay, first you have to take the newspaper. You have to separate this two Petri plate. Then put the lower part and cover the another paper and fit with this lead part. Okay, and then wrap the newspaper and you have to न्यूज़पेपर से Petri plate को कवर कर दिया है और यहाँ पे रबर लगा दिया है. Now this you have to put in a auto. Okay, so after wrapping this Petri plate, you have to write roll number. Write your roll number for identification purpose. Okay. Next is you have to transfer the 25 ml of nutrient agar. Okay, so first of all, as we have studied in experiment number 1, that is the preparation of nutrient agar. So nutrient agar that is already prepared. Okay, in that take the 25 ml with the help of this measuring cylinder. Measure it and transfer this 25 ml of agar into this test tube. So in this test tube there is 25 ml of nutrient agar. Okay. Now you have to plug इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉटन प्लग. इसको कवर करना है कॉटन प्लग से. ठीक है, एज वी हैव स्टडीड इन एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2, दैट इज़ हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द कॉटन प्लग. कॉटन प्लग कैसे बनाना है. ठीक है, सो लाइक दिस कॉटन प्लग जो है बना दिया है. अब उसको रख दिया है. नाउ हियर इन द टेस्ट ट्यूब you have to label also. So in test tube you have to stick the label in the center of test tube. Okay, यहाँ ऊपर की साइड पे नहीं रखना. Okay, during sterilizing you have to here write your roll number, whatever your roll number is there, or enrollment number that you have to write for identification. ये आपकी टेस्ट ट्यूब है एंड दिस इज़ योर पेट्री प्लेट. ओके, नाउ दिस 2 थिंग यू हैव टू पुट फॉर स्टेरिलाइजेशन. सो इन autoclave you have to sterilize this both. So put the beaker which containing test tube, that nutrient agar that you have to sterilize before using, and this is the पेट्री प्लेट. ये दोनों को यहाँ पे रख दिया है. Put this basket in this autoclave for sterilization process. Okay, now this is unlock mode. इसको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करना है. एंड यहाँ पे स्विच ऑन जो है ऑटोक्लेव का वो कर दिया है. नॉब्स दैट आर फिटेड, वाल्व इज क्लोज्ड. नाउ प्रेशर जो है 15 तक आएगा. उसके बाद 15 मिनट्स के लिए स्टेरिलाइजेशन के लिए रखना है. आफ्टर स्टेरिलाइजेशन जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है that you have to put outside. So स्टेरिलाइजेशन करने के बाद जो भी आपके रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं वो यहाँ पे लाने से पहले फर्स्टली यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द एसेप्टिक एरिया with the use of this alcohol. Clean the surface. Okay, after sterilization ये दोनों आपका स्टेराइल हो चुका है. Now remove this wrapper. Okay, before that you have to sanitize your hand. Now in this petri plate you have to label it. Okay, so in that this is the base part. Okay, in that invert this petri plate and labeling जो है that you have to do in peripheral. So in peripheral you have to write first labeling in, that is isolation of bacteria by strict plate method. So write the aim, then write the date at which you are performing the experiment, and write the roll number or enrollment number. So this is called the labeling, peripheral labeling. You have to write the aim. Okay, center में नहीं करना है, peripheral में करना है. So these three things you should include. After this, take this test tube which contains the sterile nutrient agar. Remove the cotton plug. Then pass this test tube through the flame and pour it into the petri plate. Whole 25 ml of nutrient agar that you have to pour into petri plate. Lid should be slightly closed. Then after, you have to wash this test tube. Now you need this only petri plate which containing nutrient agar. Now allow it to solidify. Okay, जब तक वो solidified नहीं हो तब तक उसको टच नहीं करना है, as it is रखना है. Okay, so now you can see this plate is get solidified. Nutrient agar जो है वो solidified हो चुका है. In the area where you have peripheral labeling जो है, जो आपने किया है, ठीक है, वहीं पे you have to make 4 zones. As we know that we are performing streak plate method. Okay, so streak plate method है, in that we are doing 4 flame method. Okay, so for that we required 4 different zones. So with the help of the scale and marker, you have to make the 4 zones. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 zones are there. Okay. Now जो नंबरिंग है जोन का वो आपको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज करना है. ओके, मतलब यहाँ सपोज दिस इज योर फर्स्ट जोन, फर्स्ट, फिर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज सेकेंड, third, and this is the fourth. Okay, and at the end fourth zone के बाद यहाँ पे अप टू सेंटर स्ट्रीक करना है. ओके, यहाँ पे लेबलिंग जो है, नंबरिंग, वो हमने कैसे किया है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज किया है. इसका रीज़न क्या है, क्योंकि जब उसको आप सीधा करोगे, ठीक है, तब वो क्लॉकवाइज हो जाएगा. ओके, सो स्ट्रीकिंग 1, 2, 3 और 4. समझ में आया? 1, 2, 3, 4 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज लेबलिंग. फिर उसको वापस सीधा करोगे तो नंबरिंग क्लॉकवाइज हो गया. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस इज़ द कल्चर बॉटल. ये जो है इसको बोलते हैं कल्चर बॉटल, इन विच देयर इज़ अ बैक्टीरियल कल्चर. ओके, दैट सैंपल ऑफ बैक्टीरिया that you have to use for streak plate method. Okay, so as we have studied in theory, that is in streak plate method, first of all we have to sterilize the loop. Okay, loop, then allow it to cool. Now with the help of this finger, you have to open the lid of culture bottle, pass it through the flame little bit, and take one looful of culture. Here you can see one looful of culture. Again you can take okay, take the one looful of culture. Okay. Now this one looful of culture that you can see, recap the cotton cloth. Take the batter plate and put the bacterial suspension on your side of your plate. You have to hold the petri plate like this. Okay, उसका आधा जो लीड है that it should be open half and open close. Okay, one looful of culture जो है वो यहाँ पे सेट किया है. Okay, now again sterilize the loop. Allow it to cool. Okay, now जहाँ पे जो बैक्टीरियल सस्पेंशन सेट किया था वहाँ से इन फर्स्ट जोन, ओके, फर्स्ट जोन में आपको स्ट्रीक करना है वहाँ से लेके. सो इट शुड बी लाइक, इट शुड बी वेरी स्मूथ. आपका लूप जो है वो स्मूथली इन फर्स्ट जोन स्ट्रीकिंग हो गया. नाउ कीप द बैटर प्लेट down and turn it into 90-degree angle and again sterilize the loop. Sterilization से क्या होगा, लूप को स्टरलाइज करेंगे, द बैक्टीरियल जो है it will get diluted. Okay. Okay. Now from the first zone, okay, starting from the first zone, okay, वहाँ से लेके सेकेंड जोन में स्ट्रीक करना है. Then again rotate 90-degree, sterilize the loop. With the help of second zone, streak into third zone. This is the fourth time we are sterilizing loop. Okay. With the help of third zone, at the end of third zone, streak into fourth zone, and at the end of fourth zone in the center streak it and sterilize the loop. Okay. So this is the streak plate method in 4 different zones that we have streaked the bacterial suspension, bacterial culture, that is streaked in different 4 zones. Now petri plate that you have to kept in incubator for 24 to 48 hours, okay, and the temperature is 37 degrees Celsius in inverted position. petri dish को inverted position में रखना है, incubator. So here in incubator, this is the incubator. Here the temperature should be 37 and put this petri plate in the incubator for 24 to 48 hours. Keep the door closed.